So you may have seen in our other video, when Winnie was learning how to go along the bar, she is now so good at doing that and able to climb out by herself. This is amazing to me because I know that she's safe, she knows how to hold on, she can move herself safely and get to a safe place and now climb up. Well done. So we will do this in all of our lessons where I teach our little ones to hold on to the wall and we're practicing monkey monkey along the bar, and we will start practicing climbing up the steps as well because it is really good so that babies know to stay safe. Well done, Winnie. I'm so proud of you. And off we go.
Look, hi.
Oh no.